We're here at the bird show.
So, check. Hello. Hi. This. Buddy, good afternoon. Now Sophie has something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari Spirit Show. I say hi, you say hello. Hi.
Hello.
Again, I can hear you. Hi.
Hello.
And the last one. On the count of 3, can I hear? The last 1, 2, 3. Wow, great job, everyone. First one. He picks up a plastic bottle, walks all the way. Open the non-body movement, and now he picks up a paper cup. Open the body movement, and he drops it inside. Now, with proper care, these birds can live up to 40 to 60 years. Now, they are natives to the Conifer Islands of India. Thank you so much, your adult volunteer. You can come to name Lilo and Luna. Now, this is one of their natural green-winged macaw, blue and gold macaw.
Ew, ew.
To warm up. Voice says. So, round of applause to our mimicking birds here named Lani and Rudy, and also to their mentor. But wait! Now, these types of birds are great. Impal and Fox. But wait, there's more. Here comes a partner of silver, Flojing. Yes, our top priority is wildlife conservation. We'll see the people behind the success of this show. To our bird trainers here stage, we have here Miss Lou, Mr. Ronek, Mr. Charles, Peace, Prosperity, and now here's Sue. My name is Yasin. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy.
Ready for the ATV.
Red ka, be.
Oh, red ko dong. Ay,
Picture, be.
sige.
Ako nasakay to, be.
Esa. Woo! Woo! Wala, grabe! Wala, kalindot! Did swing gani.
Mo tong sweet and zip line.
Mura magiduyan ba? Tas-tas nga duyan. Buyan ay. Murag namuha sa mama.
Ito, zip line mo. Tara. Kini siya, huwag talaga na mahulong kasi siya. Kanila, oh.
Yay.